In this video, you will learn how to find and highlight blank cell in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have highlighted the blank cell with the green color. I have used conditional formatting option to highlight these blank cells. Secondly, these are very dynamic. For example, if I enter data in this cell, 1, 2, 3, press enter. Now you can see here it is not blank cell and Excel has removed the green color from this cell. Similarly, if I remove this data and press enter, now you can see here Excel has highlighted it with green color because this is the blank cell. So you can easily find blank cell using this conditional formatting option. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Currently, you can see here I have a large table and it is difficult to find the blank cell from this table using manual method. So I will use conditional formatting method. Firstly, select the data. You can select the data by using dragging option. I am interested to find blank cell from the whole data, so I will select the whole columns. Select this one and by dragging option I will select remaining columns. Now you can see here all columns are selected. After selecting the data, go to Home tab and under Home tab you will find the option of styles. Under style there is the option of conditional formatting. Click on this down arrow. You will find different options. Move down and here you will find the option of manage rules. Click on this. From here I will select new rules. Click here and from here I will select format only cells that contain. Select second option and here you will find different options. Format only cell with, I will select blank because I want to select the blank cells. Secondly, it will ask you the format of that blank cell. For example, I want to highlight that blank cells with a color. I will select on this format option. In format, go to fill option and from here I will select any color. I will choose yellow color and preview is also available here. Secondly, you can also select pattern color or pattern style using these options. I will not use these options. Secondly, I will move to border option and from here you can select the border style. For example, I want to highlight this blank cell with a border outline, so I will select this one. After doing that, I will select color. I will choose black color for border and after selecting fill and border, click on OK. Now you can see here the preview. It has yellow color and a border around it. Excel will highlight the blank cells with a yellow color and a black border. After that, click on OK. After selecting all these, you can see here I have already selected the format as well as I have choose blank cell. Click on OK. Then again OK. Now you can see here Excel has highlighted all blank cell from this data. If I scroll down, you can see here all blank cells are highlighted. Similarly, you can format these blank cells. Select any cell where I have already applied the conditional formatting. Then again go to Home tab and in Home tab you will find the option of conditional formatting. Go to conditional formatting option and here you will find the option of manage rules. Click on it and here you will find the option of edit rule. From here you can choose any format. You can select the fill color as well as border color. I will choose red. Click on OK. Again OK. Then again OK. Now you can see here the blank cell are highlighted with red color. Similarly, if you want to remove these conditional formatting, I will select any cell. You can see here I have selected this one where I have already applied the conditional formatting. Then again go to this conditional formatting option, and here you will find the option of clear rules, and I will choose clear rules from entire sheet. Select this one, and you can see here the all highlighted blank cells are removed now. So by doing so, you can easily find and highlight blank cells, and you can also remove these conditional formatting. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.